What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and this is 5-Star Cars. Hope you're having a nice Thursday. Is it Thursday? Yeah, it is Thursday. Of course it is. I'm off on holidays from work for a week, and yeah, it gives me plenty of time to clean my house and make videos on YouTube. So hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world over this whole bad pandemic thing, and you're keeping yourself busy. And I know it can be quite tough, and we're watching lots of car YouTube channels, lots of our favorite car YouTubers, and that's what we do here. We just basically talk about like a podcast, like your favorite car YouTubers, and eventually we will be doing like vlogs, and we'll be doing maybe some car reviews, like an idiot's car review. I'm working with some dealerships to see if I can get you some cars, just to maybe take for a test spin or just chat about them. But the main goal of this channel obviously is to do a project car and more vlogging than to be doing this. But I need to start somewhere, and thanks very much if you've clicked on the video and just take a few minutes out of your day, because the main thing is, guys, for me to get a project car, we need to get monetized, and in order to get monetized I need you to smash that subscribe button, and you can follow me on Instagram on my personal or the channel's page, and please do give the video a like or give the other videos likes and just help build up the channel, because as soon as we get monetized, I'm going to show you the paycheck of this channel every month. No other car channel is doing that. I want to be transparent with you guys and show you how much a car channel makes every month, and you're going to help me pick on the project car, you're going to help me pick the body kit and the paint and wheels and everything. In my head I'm thinking a Toyota MK4 Supra on the lower end. On the higher end, if we do or if we can manage it, an Audi R8, that would be the goal or dream for me. So please do help support the channel, and thank you very much if you have subscribed. Also, when we get monetized, guys, I'm doing a giveaway. So it'll be the Lamborghini LED sign behind me or a Ferrari one. You pick which one you want, whatever color you want. I'll send it to you wherever you are in the world when we get monetized. Or the other option is you can pick a bit of merch from your favorite car YouTuber like TJ Hunt, DD, whoever, like a hat or t-shirt. I'll buy it for you and send it out to you. So do get subscribing if you want to get into that giveaway. And last but not least, on this intro, is I've made a website. It'll come up here. You can basically go and vote for your 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year. And at the end of the year, I'll tell you who the winner is. So go over to the channel and get voting. And if you want me to add any car YouTuber to that list, please comment below and let me know, and I will add it to the list. You can also go and make an account on the website, on the forum section, and you can create threads about cars, about your favorite car YouTubers, and I'll be on there as well. I'll be chatting back to you, so do get involved. Hopefully you'll enjoy the site. Let me know in the comments below, and do comment, guys. Nobody's commenting. I want you to comment. I will chat back to you as well. Chat back to as many as you comment, because that's what I'm all about. It's all about chatting to you about what's going on in the supercar community. And in saying that, on today's video, we're basically just going to be covering Streetspeed 717. He got a new exhaust system on his Corvette C8. And Cleetus McFarland is after digging up the X on the or he's making the burn pad, at his Freedom factory. Also as well, Summit Auto Lab have gotten a $12,000 exhaust for their Ferrari F430. And last but not least, Beast for Build is starting a new build after the Mustang as well. So that's what we're going to be covering today. Just again, guys, it's just a chat to you. I watch some of your favorite car YouTubers as well, so it's just chatting to you about what's going on, videos I've watched throughout the day, and just chat to you about it. So let's jump straight into it. Streetspeed 717. I haven't seen his videos in a few days. I know there's loads of CA content out there at the moment between Stradman and TJ Hunt and Mike from Streetspeed 717. It's a wash, a flood. It's like the super content all over again, being washed all over YouTube. But he did get a new exhaust system on it. At the moment, color wise and spec wise, Mike's C8 is my favorite C8. I love it. The carbon on it, the blue, the black wheels is absolutely stunning. I love it, and the new exhaust system on it is pretty epic. So check this video out. What I'll do for you is to show you it in the res in the garage, and then just some flybys.
Oh my God!
So what do you think, guys? Do you like it? If you've seen TJ Hunt's Magnaflow exhaust system, have you heard that compared to this one? You know, let me know which one you prefer. But it sounds really, really grunty. All right, it does sound pretty epic. You know, loving the style of it, but it does sound, I'm sure sounds way better in person than it does in camera. But fair dues to Mike for getting it done. I am watching bits and pieces of his videos here and there, but he's doing really well on the Corvette CA content. He's really taking the most of it while he can. And saying that, actually, guys, here's a question of the day. What do you think will be the next car that YouTubers, that will be the fad of the car YouTube community that they're going to pick up next? Because the C8's going to be like the one for the whole year. What do you think will be the car next year? I have no idea, but do let me know in the comments below. Moving on, so to Cleetus McFarland. Yeah, so he's finally worked with 316. I didn't know they had a building company, but yeah, they're gone digging up the X in the Freedom Factory, and they're putting in the burnout pad. Sorry. So I was watching this video, and there's some amount of work gone into it. It's insane. But here's just a quick clip of Cleetus showing you kind of the work that's being done there at the moment.
I need to give you a little bit of a background on what's going on here. As you saw by the title, we are about to tear up our racetrack.
All right, guys, this place looks totally different already. Look at this. Ta-da! Some would say it looks a lot worse, but to me, it's a beautiful future site.
Yeah, guys, absolutely insane. Like, they really are gone full send with the Freedom Factory. They're not holding no punches. They're doing really well. There's so much work gone into it, and so many people are helping out. I really love these videos. I love seeing the transformation of the track going from like a derelict track to the way it is at the moment. And this burnout pad is going to look ridiculous when it's done. And especially when other car YouTubers go there, they're going to have such a fun time. I love what Cleetus is doing. It's so well done. And he's putting so much work to it. You know, he really deserves, all these, hitting 2 million views already, or 2 million subscribers already. Like, I mean, he deserves it for buying that track and, offering it to other car YouTubers. So let me know what you think below, guys, in the comment section. Have you watched it? What do you think of Cleetus McFarland? And who do you think, what YouTuber is going to use the track? I'd say Ferraris should definitely be one of them, but it's going to be, it's only part 1, so we've still got a few more parts to go. And it's going to be interesting to see how it turns out. I can't wait anyway. So moving on to the next car YouTuber in the list, just Summit Auto Lab. They're after spending $12,000 on I think it's a Fab Speed exhaust for the Ferrari F430. Fair juice them, as you can see the video coming up here. They got their bits and pieces, they got headers. It looks like they've got a full through exhaust system up to the manifold. I'd say it's going to be ridiculous when they put it on. And for 12 grand, for getting the sign, for getting the Fab Speed sign off them, if I was paying 12 grand, I would expect a custom sign off Fab Speed as well. That's a lot of money, for an exhaust. But if you can afford it and it's going to make the car sound ridiculous, then fair juice to them. And I think they are going to be unwrapping the car, taking off the purple, and they're going to be going like a jet black, kind of like blackout murder. Which I really do like that they're doing that as well. So let me know in the comments again, guys, what you think of Summit Auto Lab and them getting $12,000 exhaust. Can you not wait to hear it? I definitely can't. And last but not least, guys, on our list is Bees for Builds. They've brought out a video basically saying they're going to be they're going to fix up the Lexus drag car that they bought for that challenge with Tavares, and they're going to build it up to 1,000 horsepower. Now they're going to go to Texas Motorsport, I think, for an LS build basically. And if anybody can do it, they can. I know he had a 5.3 block sitting there from the Bird to Can, from the Huracan. They did the burnt one that was sitting there, so they're going to build that up. That's going to be very, very interesting to see how that turns out. They need to do the roll cage inside the car as well. But yeah, look, they have so much lined up. I completely forgot they have the Supra as well coming. It's in Texas, I think, that's stuck there at the moment to do that build as well. So Bees for Build, Chris and the guys have a lot of projects there, and there's been a lot of content coming out, which I'm really, really happy that they're doing. And you're going to keep us all entertained while we're all stuck inside waiting for this stupid virus thing to blow over. So yeah, I mean, we're being kept entertained, guys, from our favourite car YouTubers. And iPhone, I'm very happy that they're bringing out content and not being bored. Let me know in the comments below again, guys, what you think of Bees for Build, and you're looking forward to the Mustang build being done and the Super build. Do comment below, and that's everything for today. So if you watched till the end, thanks very much, guys. It really does mean a lot to me. Hopefully we can get monetized. Let your friends know, anybody you know about my channel, and do get commenting. I'm looking forward to hearing from me. I will definitely, one thing I'm definitely going to do is I'm going to start releasing my videos at either 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. every day. It just makes more sense. So I'll make a decision tomorrow. I think it's going to be 1 p.m. I'm going to release my my videos at. I think it's the best time because I'm in Ireland. So for you guys in America, when you wake up, you got a video waiting for you in the morning when you're having your breakfast. So thanks very much again, guys, wherever you are in the world. Peace out and bye.